In this video, I'll show you how to use Uber Eats driver app in UK. So if you want to use the application in United Kingdom, what you can do is you can first head over to your Play Store, App Store in order to install it. Now just search for Uber Eats and then once you're done, just head over and then install it and then open it. So from in there, just head over to your account and you just need to register as a driver. To do that, just scroll down right here and click on this Earn by Driving or Delivering. Now, once you have clicked on that, you will be redirected to a new page that will allow you to register on UK. For this one, you just need to log in again and then add your phone number. So on this list, just click on the flag icon and then just find United Kingdom and then just enter right here your phone number, and after that click on this update option in order to update it, and then you should be able to start using the applications as the driver. So that's how you use Uber Eats driver app in UK. I hope this video helped you out.